The PBMA Middle School Cheerleading Squad has launched their new season with an inspiring tradition led by their coach, Miss Owens. To set the tone, each cheerleader received a personalized welcome letter filled with encouragement and motivation, marking the official start of their journey together. The welcome letters emphasize teamwork, confidence, and school spirit, helping the students feel valued and excited about the season ahead. The thoughtful gesture also created a sense of unity among the team, giving the cheerleaders a strong foundation before their practices and performances begin. With this meaningful start, the PBMA Middle School cheerleaders are ready to grow not only in their routines but also in friendship and pride. Their season promises to showcase energy, dedication, and the supportive leadership of Miss Owens. The 22 senior students of PBMA recently took part in an exciting field trip to Margaritaville at Sea Paradise Ship, where learning and fun went hand in hand. From the moment they boarded, the students were filled with energy and anticipation for the day's activities. Upon arrival, students and teachers were warmly welcomed by the ship's crew with refreshing drinks, setting the tone for a memorable day. They even enjoyed a special photo opportunity with the captain, capturing a moment they will surely treasure as part of their senior year. Throughout the visit, the students engaged in meaningful learning as they met with the ship officers who shared insights about navigation, safety, and life at sea. These encounters gave them a deeper appreciation of maritime operations while sparking curiosity about potential career paths. To recognize their participation, each student proudly received a certificate, a keepsake that symbolized both their learning and their unforgettable experience on board. One of the highlights of the day was sharing a meal together at the buffet, where everyone delighted in the variety of food and the lively atmosphere. Adding a special touch to the occasion, Caleb, one of the seniors, played the piano and serenaded the group, filling the buffet area with music that made the experience even more unforgettable. The students expressed their heartfelt gratitude to the PBMA administration for granting them such a wonderful opportunity. Overall, the Margaritaville trip was a successful and heartwarming event that blended learning, fun, and fellowship for the graduating class.
Hey Sharks, my name's Caleb Batista.
And I'm Zoe Quevedo.
Welcome to another episode of The Wave Makers, bringing you closer to the actions and stories within our school community.
Today is a big day for our senior class. We're here at the port about to tour the Margaritaville ship. Now let's dive into the interviews at the port.
Thank you, Zoe. Today we have with me is Mr. Rosemay, who will share more about this unique opportunity. Can you tell us why we were brought here today?
Yes, I was brought you guys here to see things in a different aspect. As you know that Maritime Academy, we are sharks, and what better way to bring you to boats to see different way of living, of traveling basically, and give you an opportunity to see what the world's like on the sea level.
Right. What do you hope that the students will take away from this experience?
The opportunity to see different cultures, the way of people actually from different part of the country are coming here and actually living on the boat for more than 6 to 7 months working and sending money back home to take care of their family. And plus the opportunity of having so many jobs. There's so many jobs that's available here, and I hope the students will see that kind of work that's put into this place, not just coming out to enjoy it. A lot of people are working really hard to make sure that other people have a good time. So I want them to understand the value of hard work and what it takes to be successful, not just so much in the corporate office, but also in simple life of taking care of things like this.
Okay. What part of the tour were you most excited about?
My favorite part of the tour is the engine. Reason why everybody loves the captain, everybody loves everything that goes on. It's the guys that's behind the scenes. The engine is being taken care of by 2 men who works 24 hours. It's constantly working on the engine to make sure that the boat runs smooth there's no crashing, there's no accidents happening, while everybody's having a good time. So I value those guys more, I think, because the work that he puts in to make sure that people stay alive and to make sure the ship runs right, I think they should be rewarded for it more than anybody else, because I feel like they have the hardest job to do.
Okay. And is there any message that you would like to leave for the class of 2026?
For the class of 2026, man, I love you guys already, and I can't wait to see you become successful. So my thing is to find what you love to do. My biggest thing is I love what I do, so it's not considered work for me. But I would tell you guys the same thing is love what you do and do what you love, and you can't go wrong. But you definitely got to put the work into it. So strive for success, work hard, and enjoy the journey, and then you'll enjoy everything that comes with it. So that's my last statement I want to give out to the class of 2026.
Well, I appreciate your time, and thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Thank you, Alexis. That's it for today's Wave Makers.
Sharks, remember to reflect our shark mentality by being safe, respectful, and responsible. Again, this is Zoe Quevedo
And Caleb Batista.
for the Wave Makers.